Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. A happy Sunday to you all. God bless you guys. I wish you guys the best of the week and a happy new month too. And I wish you guys all the blessings of the Lord upon you and your household. Today I have yet another short hairstyle. This hairstyle is so lovely for those that love bad to know hair. You have to watch this beautiful haircut because it's just like a creamy frosting on a cake, because this kind of hair, you can see even the subtlest touch of those flattering highlights will make your haircut irresistibly fabulous. So one thing with highlights is that sometimes it makes short haircut like this appear luminous and lustrous. Take a good look on this color. It's so classy, it's so matured. Sometimes you want to go bold, you go with this beautiful color highlight. This green is sexy for those that love bald with the two sides, and you can see how this haircut is also good because we'll bring you guys a super cool collections of trending highlights, for the lovers of short hair, always to light up your mane. Just check out this haircut. It's looking so gorgeous, and I want you guys to check out the transition. See this lady going for the big chop. You can see how this hair is going to turn out, and you will see how beautiful it is. I just love the lines, the surgical lines. It's a beautiful haircut that will really make it look stunning. It is really a great example of how beautiful a dark hair base can make your hair look beautiful and cool. So one thing with the styles is that if you're really confused on kind of hairstyle for your next visit to the salon, or you're looking for style on how to style yourself at home, you are in the right place, because we are here to bring out the best of styles that will make you look so stunning. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this cut. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts come your way. Bye for now.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has to be you. I need you. Whoa. Now what you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. What you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now what you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg delete me. Wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg delete me. Wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg delete me.